Hi, I'm Henry.
And I'm Ian.
And we are BOSH! Earlier this year, we published our cookbook, BOSH! It's now the fastest selling debut cookbook of 2018 and a Sunday Times #1 bestseller.
And we just won an award from Peter for Best Book.
We're so grateful for all of the support. We wanted you to be the first to know our exciting news. All week, we've been here.
On the shoot for BOSH Book #2.
That's right, we're making a new cookbook. So next April, you will be able to get your hands on incredible new Boshified recipes, like the classic lasagna,
our crunchy carnival salad,
and the mini banoffee meringues, made from nothing more than aquafaba.
We've got every mealtime covered, be it brilliant breakfasts, luscious lunches, delicious dinners, or terrific treats.
And all the alliteration. And it's all available to pre-order right now. Get it, just get it pre-ordered. Pre-order now. Come on, Team BOSH, what are you saying?
So there you have it, our brand new cookbook hitting shelves in April 2019 in the UK.
September in the US. It's going to be amazing. We're so hyped. The recipes are off the hook. You're gonna love it. BOSH!